What's up, Facebook, YouTube? Back again. I had to go back. I'm sorry, I had to go back, but this time we're gonna switch it up. I got a story that I want to tell y'all. When I was at William, I was gonna say William Bramlett. Y'all know William Bramlett, but when I was at OW Home, oh my God, I gotta tell y'all this story. Meantime, we had to go back and get a 3-meat plate with the we have the we got the ribs again, and the links, and the East Texas hot links. Goddamn me, I ain't playing with y'all. Well, hold on. So let's get into this story though. So in my 7th grade year, man. I was always known as the bad actor, the class clown, the what they call it, the damn fool. That was me all day long. I played. I got on everybody in the nerve. I got some Kool-Aid too. I got on everybody in the nerve. Cause I really didn't care. So, but then we all had 7 classes. So, in all 7 classes, every teacher hated my ass because I was a class clown. From throwing pencils to breaking pens and shooting spitballs out of me. That was me. I was in trouble every day. Now this story right here is gonna be I mean real. This damn story is gonna be a little I just say a little nasty, but it ain't that bad. Okay? So if you're eating right now, you might not want to eat nothing. Or whatever. So, here we go. 7th grade. My 3rd class. I forget the dude's name. It's been so long ago. But we was at OW Homes, man. That beans good. Good and spicy. Jalapeno beans. Jalapeno beans right here. So I used to give this dude, I used to give him hell because it was his first year. It was his first year teaching. And he didn't know how to handle the kids. He was only like 25. 25, short, bright, usher-looking motherfucker. Everybody gonna try his ass. Everybody gonna try him. We all did. Sometimes back then when they were giving out licks, you know, playing football, you get your ass whooped. I ain't girl. I quit football. So did. Because I was already in trouble. So I couldn't play anyway. But I'm gonna tell you about this one time. We was sitting in class. Now, I'm sick. I'm sick as hell. Snot running. Woke up early in the morning, booger and crust all in your eyes. I'm sick. But after you wake up in the morning, you get yourself together, you get yourself ready. By the time you start off your day, you regular, you ready to go. Man, when I got to that 3rd class, I wasn't feeling good. My stomach was hurting. My head was spinning. Nose running, stopped up. I don't know what I had, but it was bad. It was bad as hell. Well, so we taking a test. I asked the dude. I said, "Hey, Mr. Such and Such, don't know his name. I forgot. Can I go to the restroom?" He said, "Nah, you can't go to the restroom. Every time you go to the restroom, you take too long." Which I did. I ain't gonna lie. I'm grown, graduated. I used to take a long time. Why? Because I go to other people's class, go to the gym. Supposed to be gone 5 minutes, I'm gone 30. You hear me? Like, y'all know how us crazy young kids do, man. But That link, man. That link is good as hell. Damn. It's a bean one more time. But so I'm asking, I'm like, dude, I just really need to go to the bathroom. He was like, no, you can't go to the bathroom. I'm like, okay. Alright. Can't go to the bathroom. Same time, other people ask to go to the bathroom, and I think they did this shit out of spite. On the cool, for all y'all that did that out of spite, read between these lines. That's for y'all. I'm just saying, none too vulgar. It's right there in your face. Just for you. For real. Bruh. Mr. Such and Such, can I go to the bathroom? Yeah, you can go. Like, bro, why I can't? Because you take too long. I ain't gonna go out there and watch you. I really had to go to the bathroom. Like, seriously. My stomach really was hurting. So, we sitting there. I'm in my chair. I'm swaying back and forth. I'm trying my best to take this test. I really can't focus on this test because I'm over here prairie dogging. Y'all know, y'all ain't never seen no prairie dog when it stick his head in. Don't worry. That is not what happened. I did not shit on myself at all. No. No. Mind you, like I told y'all. Now, I want some jalapenos right here. Look at that jalapeno right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Jalapeno right there. I'm gonna take all that. That East Texas hot link good as hell too. I'm gonna try it without the bread. Oh yeah. Dip that in the juicy. So I'm sitting there. The prairie dog don't went away. I'm good now. I'm good. Like, yeah. I ain't got nothing about 20 more minutes in the class. I can make it out. I'm not gonna use the restroom. Meantime, my nose gets to itching, bro. Now, I mean, it was itching. I sneezed and sneezed and sneezed. He's like, Chris. He like, bro, if you don't quit all that damn sneezing, I'm like, how am I stop from sneezing with my nose itching? I said, do you have any tissue? No, I ain't got no tissue. Big ass case of tissue sit. We gotta bring tissue. We gotta bring tissue on the first day of school, fam. You got tissue. You know what? Don't worry about it. Alright. So, and mind you, see, I was a class clown. So where am I sitting at? Right here in the front. Directly in front of him. So, my nose, it's something in there. I'm eating a little bit too fast. Hold on. It's something in my nose, fam. I don't know what it is, but I gotta get it out. Bruh, when I tell you, you know, when you got a little one to get, when you got a little character to get him up in there, you gonna use this finger right here. Nah, fam. We had to use it. I had to use the index finger, fam. Bruh. I dug deep, you hear me? Oh, he wasn't paying no attention. Everybody else, they taking their test. I done marked C on everything, cause back then, the answer was C. The answer was C out of 10 questions, 8 of them is gonna be C. I ain't care. I'm just ready to get up out of here. So, bruh, I dug up deep. I'm all the way in the back of my brain. I'm all the way in my brain. When I tell you, I pulled out. Y'all ready? I pulled out a booger. I pulled out a booger. About that long. About an inch and a half, bruh. Like that motherfucker been up there for about 3 years and was just holding on for dear life, fam. So, you know how it is when you pull out a booger, fam. And it has absolutely nowhere to go. It has nowhere to go. You don't. Mind you, back then I was big Chris. So I couldn't just wipe it up under the desk. Nah, So when I got out, that booger was gonna be on my shirt. So I'm over here I got it over here tucked in my finger like this. Bruh. I'm over here looking for paper. He won't let me get up and get no paper. He won't let me get my book bag. I'm like, bro, I know I always act the ass, but bro, please, it's just one time. Let me get up. No. So, when you got something on your hands, that you no longer want, the only thing you can do is fling it out your life, fam. That's the only thing you do. So, I'm sitting over here with a booger on my finger. Nowhere to put it. No desk to wipe it on. Nobody got no paper. It's just sitting there. These East Texas hot links are amazing. I got some Kool-Aid too. It's just sitting there. Bruh. I cocked that finger back and I let it go. On God, bro. Hold on. On God, bro. On God, on everything I love. When I let it go, I swear that bitch went in slow motion. Like, I'm looking at the bitch. That bitch just like, I'm looking like, bruh, tell me why. That hoe land on my teacher hand, fam. Fam. It landed directly on his hand, fam. Bruh. Bruh, I had no idea what the hell I was finna do. But at the same time, he didn't know that it's 30 other kids in here. How the hell he gonna identify my booger from everybody else's? Like, this your booger. So I'm over here like, mind you, I'm already done my test. Bruh, this nigga, he look at his hand like, he look at his hand like, bro, what the fuck is this? He look at his hand like, bro, what the fuck is this? Bro, out of all 30 kids, who he called? Chris, come outside. I'm like, hey, what I do now? You finna finally let me go to the restroom? No, come outside now. Yeah, I'm finna get expelled. He seen this hoe come off my finger or something. But how you just gonna call me out of everybody, bro? Like, I'm right there in front of you, fam. How you just gonna call me out of everybody, bro? So he take me out of class. We going to the highway. He say, Chris, I'm sick of this. I said, sick of what? I ain't even did nothing. He talking about, yes, you did. I said, what I do now? He talking about, is this yours? I'm like, nah. I said, how's that mine? He was like, you had to do it. He's like, this is yours. Bro, he literally still got the booger. Oh, he still got the booger on his damn hand, fam. He like cherished that. He wanted so bad for me to admit that hoe was mine. I'm always in trouble, fam. I'm not finna tell you that this big ass booger that's on your damn hand is mine. Nigga, no. No, I'm not finna tell you that this book, no. That ain't mine. Yes, it is. That ain't mine. So don't give a damn. It's gonna be yours today. I'm like, so what you finna do? You finna punish me for something that I didn't do? Clearly, that hoe was mine, fam. That hoe, bro. Again, that hoe fell as if it was in the Matrix, and that hoe stayed in my nose for the last 13 years. Just to land this nigga motherfucking hand. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. He grabbed that paddle and he whooped my ass. Oh my God. Oh my God, man. Dude. I'm not gonna, bruh. It was one of them. It was like, it was cold outside, but it like get warm. Y'all know how Texas weather is. It'll be cold as hell at night, and then it get warm. So you got that. It was one of them. Oh my God, where the hell did this one come from? Boogers, bruh. Whoo, man, he got that paddle out and towed my ass up. Kicked me out of the class. Told me I couldn't come back. I had to go see the principal. He explained to him what happened. The principal was like, I'm tired of seeing your ass in here. I'm over here. I don't know about y'all mama, but my mama used to whoop my ass. I'll take a little licks at school, but shit. Take an ass whooping from mama? Nah, fam. Nah, these ribs is good as hell. I'm like, bro, I don't know where the hell that booger came. You know where the hell that booger came from, fam? But that hoe is not mine, man. They end up switching me in classes for like 3 days in school suspension. But bro, hey, no matter how fed up you are with something, just watch where you flick it, man. The moral of the story is, no matter how mad or fed up you are with something, man, just watch the way you flick it, man. You never know where your shit might land. Real nigga shit. Real nigga shit, man. Whew. We was back at Gator Pits again today. Got a 3-meat plate. Oh, my God. I had to come back because I wanted to get some more of them ribs. And I wanted to get them links again. But I also wanted to try the East Texas hot links. I must say, that damn barbecue place hitting on all cylinders, man. All cylinders. That East Texas hot link. Oh my God. Just look at it. I know I'm a little late to be showing y'all this, but bam, look at that. But hey, this is once again another review by me for you with a little story time in it, man. I hope y'all enjoy, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all support. Y'all love, man. Leave a like, a comment, or leave a dislike if you didn't like the video, man. I just appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all always sticking by me. I always follow me on different platforms. I appreciate y'all, man. Much love. I'm a holler.